Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix no more room in Hell 2 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game file. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. After that, here to expand your display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for Windows security. So search for Windows security, open it. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, select it, make sure private and public boxes are ticked, and after that, click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. It will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click under general. Here you have to type -dx11, launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next method is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, you have to go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Now once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. So whatever option you get, you have to click on it. So simply click on it, click on install, click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application. After adding the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to graphics settings. So you must check the graphics settings of the game, as they are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc. So you should lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next, to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps. You have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, you have to go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall No More Room in Hell 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or working or not. So these are few solutions to fix No More Room in Hell 2 game: crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on loading screen not loading, lagging, freezing, stuck on black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.